Hello, besties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, all my YouTube channel, I start by telling you what exactly I want this video to be about. So today I'm going to talk about AI stocks that I'm buying this week. So I'm going to show you the stocks that I'm looking into, the stocks that I'm waiting on, the stocks that I'm selling. All those things that you need to know is what I want to talk about. The reason is because all the stocks can actually give you $100 and above because you deserve to be rich. Yes, yes, yes. You deserve to be wealthy. You deserve to understand the money game. And because I know about it, I also want you to know about it. So I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. But first of all, I want to tell you that some of these opportunities are going to be buying opportunities, which if you listen to me, you could have yourself some dollars by the end of the year or in a couple of weeks to come. So some people do not understand whether to do short term or long term, but that is the reason why you should pay to learn because there are so many things you do not know. And when you know better, you do better. So these are the things you're going to be learning in this video. The AI stocks that I'm watching, my buy zones of these stocks in 2024, and we never have to work again. The truth is that an average person can actually become wealthy through stock market. Is one of the greatest tools of wealth building. But sadly, we don't have these things taught to us in schools. So you're going to learn how to make money with just your phone because everything about the stock market, all you need is just your phone. And why this stock is making us passive income, I'm going to show you the reason. So if this is the kind of thing you like to learn, welcome to the YouTube, and I'm going to drop a disclaimer because the things I'm sharing in my videos are my personal views from my experiences and research and things that have worked for me. So do your own due diligence. But if you want to learn from me, please consider joining our dollar community. We have the basic stock to wealth program where you learn about stock basics and how to earn passive income monthly, all right, for just 10,000 naira. And then we have the VIP Wealth Builders community, where beyond the apps, the stocks, and the financial plan, you also get to see when I'm buying my stocks, when I'm selling, and you make money with me. So let's roll together. I am your bestie, and I'm here to show you the way. So the link to pay are all in the description of this video. So click there and make your payment, and I'll see you in the community. So moving on, welcome to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, I show you how to make money, how to save money, how to multiply your money through investing in the stock market. Yay! So consider clicking on that subscribe button, consider sharing this video, consider learning. Don't just jump in and jump out. Watch, learn, and you shall be blessed. So let me ask you this question. Have you ever felt like you lost money buying stocks? I've met people who tell me stock market is a scam. I bought the stocks, and then at the end of the day, I lost some money. Yes, because you are either buying because you heard that this stock is making people money. You have no plan. So when the person was selling, you didn't know. When the person decided to buy more, you had no idea. You just bought because of FOMO, and that's a very bad thing. Or maybe you just don't want to pay and you are watching different YouTube videos can be great to some extent, but it's important that you get grounded with basics. When you get grounded with knowledge, you know why you're buying a stock. Every stock I buy, I have a reason for buying, for holding, for selling. So these are the things you should know. So do you also know that there are new opportunities in the stock market every day? Market gives us opportunities of pullbacks, of new stocks reaping here and there. So you must have a plan, and the plan starts from getting the right knowledge. Do well and join that class, all right? You'll be glad. It will be one of the best things you do for your life. Trust me when I say that. And then I also need you to know that long-term mentality wins. Most of the successful people in the stock market are people who are holding stocks for a long time. There are different strategies because when you're just starting out with stock market and you have a little amount, say maybe $100, $200, you can sometimes see yourself get to $10,000, but there are different strategies you're going to use. So with a good plan, with consistency, you can actually get there. But the truth is that long-term mentality wins. There are stocks that earlier in the year, they were just worth $15. Some people bought it at 15 and sold it at 20, just taking a $5 profit. But that same stock, if you had held it from January up till now, it is now worth $45. So imagine if you just sold on a short term and you decided not to bag hold. This is why knowledge comes in. So buying and holding good stock for long term is bliss. There are strategies you can use so that you can always take out your profit and let the stock keep running. So let's head to the chart so that you get to see my buy and sell alert for the stocks that I've mentioned. And today I'm talking about AI stocks. So let's head over. So for today, I'm going to use my Weibo. And the first stock I'm going to talk about is AMD. So remember, I can't tell you where to buy, hold, or sell, but I want you to know that I have you at heart and I will show you exactly what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is AMD. AMD is Advanced Micro Device. So it's actually an AI company. It is coming second after Nvidia. All right. So I'm spotting some opportunities here. This stock used to be at 200 and it came down. So imagine buying this stock at 200 and it dropped to 121. You will fight and shout and say, oh, I've lost a lot of money, I want to sell. You don't need to sell. This is an actual opportunity for you to buy more here. If you missed here, this is another good opportunity. When it came down to 135 and it ran up again to 175 and now is around 156. So as at the time of recording, this stock is at closed yesterday, being Thursday at 156, sorry, Wednesday at 156.13. But pre-market, this stock has run $5 move. Amazing. So this stock, we bought some yesterday in my community. But at the same time, I am still waiting for this stock to drop a little bit more to about 150 in few days. But if it doesn't happen, because we've been buying it at 155, I am very okay with it. But this is how we watch the areas of buying ranges. So that imagine getting the stock at $150 and then you let it ride to 200. You have just made yourself $50 on passive income without doing anything, without marketing anything, without moving from your house, just owning the stock. So we see where knowledge comes into play. So it is important for you to know that this stock has been dropping and the drop is a blessing to us. So for another person or maybe a newbie, you may think, oh my God, this stock is going down. But when you see a solid stock cooling off, I call this a cool off zone. You see these two lines I've drawn? These areas are what I call the cool-off zones. So that is what you should be looking into. If you can spot this opportunity, you're going to get it. So my buy alerts areas are 156 down to 135 and then sell from 170 up until 200. This is a great stock that will make people millions. Take it from me. So let's go to the second stock, which is C3 AI. So this is a new stock. The advantage is that unlike AMD, which is about $156, this stock is currently around $26. Now let me show you something. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see this stock dropped to 25. So I'm still looking at this stock coming down to 25.22 dollars, so that we can actually grab this stock and ride it up to 27 up until 30, because this stock used to be around $30. So I know that this little pullback can actually drop down to 23, 22, 24, and if you grab it, you ride it all the way to 30. That's a very clean spot. This type of stock, I don't keep it for long term, but AMD, I'm riding it long term, baby. That's what we do. If you understand why certain stocks should be in your portfolio for long term, you should understand why some stocks are also going to be there for short term. And the last one, which is my baby, is NVDA. Reason is, you know me, I have been talking about Nvidia all year round. We grabbed this stock around 100. I've been mentioning this stock since. Look at where we are now. We got this stock at 100 and we almost touched 140. So $40 in just 2 months. Can you beat that? So this is why I said you should rush and grab this opportunity. So this is why I'm making this video. I do hope you learned something from this video. If there are stocks you think I should review, please drop it in the comment section. I know someone dropped about new. I'll probably do that in my next video. So consider joining my community, consider being a part of this community by learning more, and I'll see you in the next video.